Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a smoothie bowl, more specifically an acai bowl in your Ninja Creami Deluxe. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe we're going to need our acai juice, some monk fruit sweetener, some Kroger Carbmaster vanilla milk, some dried cranberries and honey roasted almond slices, a little bit of unsweetened shaved coconut, a little bit of chia seed, some mixed berries. I'm using raspberries, blackberries, and a little bit of blueberry. However, you can use pretty much whatever you want. Some strawberries, these are actually going on the top when we get finished, and one kiwi. This is going to be going on top as well. Remember, if you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Also, this recipe is portioned out for the Ninja Creami Deluxe. If you're using the original Ninja Creami, you're going to want to cut everything down by 1/3. First, in a medium mixing bowl, we're going to take our acai juice, our Carbmaster milk, our monk fruit sweetener, and on our mixed berries, we're going to use about half. Half are going to go into here, and the other half are going to be used as toppings for when we get this thing finished. Just make sure you leave a nice variety for later. Once you got those in there, go ahead and mix this up really good to make sure you get that monk fruit sweetener dissolved in here really well. Next, we're going to pour our mix into our creamy pint, making sure that we don't go past the scoopable max fill line. That's important. If you do, you're going to have a mess. Next, put your pint lid on, and this will go in the freezer overnight. When this is in there, be sure to keep it as level as possible.
One eternity later.
After you've had that in overnight, we'll go ahead and pull it out of the freezer. And we're gonna let this sit out for a few minutes while we prep our toppings. We already have most of our toppings ready, so we can just kind of move those out of the way. And all we need to do is slice our strawberries and slice up this kiwi. So we'll go ahead and slice this up. You can do this really any way you want to. Pretty much whatever gets the job done, as long as it looks nice. These strawberries are a little crappy looking, but it is what it is, I guess. For the kiwi, we're gonna have to skin this first. Just remember that if you have a really ripe kiwi, this is gonna be pretty soft, so you have to be gentle. Now we're ready to process, so we'll go ahead and take the lid off this creamy pint, set it into the creamy pitcher, throw on the lid, and then lock it closed. Then we'll turn on our machine, install the pitcher, and lock it in. We're gonna select full because we're gonna do this whole thing. And you'll notice on the Creami Deluxe, there's no setting for the smoothie bowls like there was on the old one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this to gelato, and then we'll go ahead and process it up.
Eventually.
Okay, let's see how this came out. Yep, and that looks pretty good. And it's nice and firm, just the way we want it. Now let's go ahead and get this plated up. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more of our videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. Well, that acai bowl came out super good. It came out nice and firm, but if you wanted it a little bit softer, you can always re-spin it with a tiny bit of acai juice poured into the top, and that should get you right where you want to go. This makes a great snack and it's loaded with nutrients. Just be careful not to eat too much because it is pretty high in sugar. If you'd like some more information about the Ninja Creami Deluxe that we used in this video, we do have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description of the video. If you make any purchases through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.